Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about a couple of my product empties and, let's just dive right into it. So, before I start, I want to let you guys know, thank you for watching my video. I do really appreciate it. If you haven't already, subscribe, do so by clicking down below, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so, my hair obviously looks a little bit crazy today, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm kind of feeling it. I'm liking this new hair crimper I got. I got it off Amazon, and I honestly kind of like it. I don't know. I'm feeling a little crazy, I'm feeling a little wild, and I really do like it. So, we're gonna go with it. Alright, so today's video, you guys, like I mentioned earlier, is about my product empties. It's not all my empties that I have. I mean, honestly, it would take forever to make this video if I talked about every single empty product I use. So I just gathered a couple of them, and some of them some of them I did talk about in my previous videos, and I ended up getting more of them, and then, So, anyways, the first product empty I want to talk about is the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence Patera. Alright, this is what it looks like. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. It's empty. It's a nice, yes, it is expensive, but it's a nice product, you guys. So, at first, I was a little bit hesitant because I feel like you can find really good skincare items for a much more cheaper, affordable. Of course, affordability is definitely all relative, but you can find skincare products that are more on the cheaper end. But for me personally, I just want to find a good skincare product that works for my skin. And if that means spending a little bit of extra cash, then, or a little bit of extra money, then so be it. You know what I mean? I want to just make sure I have nice skin, and whatever it takes, I will do. The SK2 Patera Essence is an amazing product. No jokes aside, it does great wonders for my skin. The skin type I have, you guys, if you are new here, I'll let you guys know. It's dry, and I guess some might say normal, but honestly, I feel like it's just a really dry skin. I barely ever get any breakout, if ever. It's like once every blue moon, and that's only because I've used a product that doesn't react well to my skin, so then it starts like kind of like, my skin starts reacting kind of crazy. So besides that, I really don't get any breakout. When I was a teenager, I never had any acne problem, just because my skin was just really that dry. And the camera's probably not picking up, but there's like dry cracks all around here right now. And I mean, this is my face on a good day, I mean, on bad days, it just feels like, I feel like my skin feels like that Pokemon. What is it called? I can't remember the name of the Pokemon, but I'll put up a little picture somewhere. But that's what my skin feels like. It just feels like, yeah. I don't like it. It feels nasty. It feels gross. So, but this SK2 product essence does wonders for my skin. I do feel like it definitely replenishes. It gives it a nice little brightening boost, if you will. It's just when your skin looks nice, glowy, and healthy, it does make your skin look, brightened up. At least to me, it does. Now, I will say, I'm not no skin expert. I'm just talking about this product based off my own experience. If you want to know more about the product and what it does for you, I mean, the internet is at your hand. Use it, Google it, do what you gotta do, and research it. But this video is just talking about my own experience, and this product, I do like it a lot. It's amazing. Will I pick it up again? I mean, I think I will, because it is great product and it's done me well. So my next item, you guys, is the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner, and it tells us it won't strip skin's natural moisture. So that's what it looks like. And yes, I haven't used all of it just because I threw it in my empties bin because I'm not going to finish it, you guys. I've used a good chunk of it if you look at it. So can you guys see? A good chunk was used, but honestly, even though it tells me that it won't strip your skin's moisture and it's alcohol-free toner, honestly, it kind of, I felt like it did take away a little bit of moisture out of my skin. And this one is a more affordable, like, toner essence type of thing. Definitely more affordable compared to the SK2. It just didn't cut it for me, you guys. It's just, I do love Neutrogena. They have some amazing skincare product line, but just this particular this particular one didn't do for me. If it does work for you guys, keep on using it. I mean, by all means, it works for you, then use it and, continue using it. But for me personally, it just didn't do anything for me. What it did do is kind of like take away the moisture I had in my skin. The very little minuscule amount of moisture I had left in my skin. I couldn't even cry because all that moisture was sucked out of my skin. So I'm done using this. I'm going to stop using it and toss it out. There's that. Alright, so the next product I have is this Tree Hut Shea Butter Scrub. And clearly it's all empty. I mean, literally, it's all gone. I have used it to the very last drop. Now, this stuff smelled amazing. It just smelled nice and, it smelled like coconut lime. Literally, it tells you right there, coconut lime. I'm not really a big fan of coconut scent, but when it's mixed in with that lime, it smells really nice, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. It just smells really divine. When I took a shower, I wanted a little scrubby. Take some of this out and scrub my body. It just felt nice. The scrubs felt really nice and, not too rough, but definitely you felt like you're getting a nice scrub. The smell was wonderful and it did moisturize my body because it had that shea butter in it. So this was amazing. I did love it. And I didn't buy this. It was given to me in if I remember correctly, it was given to me in one of the influencer boxes. So that was pretty cool. Alright, so the next item I have is for my hair, my beautiful mane. Alright, so the next item here is the EBATES Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. So that is what it looks like. And dry shampoo, you guys, if you don't know what it is, it's just your hair's best friend. I mean, if you don't want to use dry shampoo, don't use it. But dry shampoo is like one of those things where I feel like I have to have in my little hair care necessity pile, need, whatever. Well, here it is, dry shampoo. This particular dry shampoo, it was nice. I liked it. I mean, it worked just like a dry shampoo. If I sprayed it too close to my hair, I could see like white powder. So a lot of the times you want to kind of spray the dry shampoo at like a much more further distance, so the white powder spray kind of like disperses out evenly so you don't really see it, So, and sometimes what really helps is putting on dry shampoo right before you sleep. And when you wake up, it kind of like helps with that as well. Now, again, this is just from my own personal experience. So if you don't want to put on dry shampoo before you sleep, you don't have to. You control your own actions. You do what you want to do. It's just, me talking about my own experience. So there we go. All right, moving on. So dry shampoo, did I like this? I did. It worked as a dry shampoo. Is it like standing out to me compared to the other dry shampoos I used? Not really. It worked well. I liked it. It worked nice. I still feel like up until this point, my favorite dry shampoo, it's the favorite dry shampoo. I can't even think of the name of it. All right, the one you get like the drugstore. It's like with the yellow cap and the black can. Tresemme. I think that's what it's called. Tresemme. I'll put a picture up somewhere, but I feel like that's just my overall favorite one. So I do have another one I'm using right now. It's not Tresemme. It's a different brand. I'll get to it once it's empty. But, or maybe I'll do a video on it. I have no idea. All right, so that is it for this dry shampoo. Last but not least is this Korean product right here. It's the Black Bean Deep Cleansing Foam Cleansing Story. So that's what it looks like. And I feel like I did a video on this when I first got it, but now it is completely empty. I mean, look, I used it till it was like gone. Literally gone. It's all gone. So this Black Bean Cleansing Foam, did it work? Yes, it does work. Honestly, it worked really well. A lot of the times when I use a cleansing face wash or a cleansing foam, I have to remove my makeup first and then, use the face cleanser or what have you. But sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I'm human. I feel lazy and I just kind of want to take my makeup off and call it a day. But at the same time, use a cleanser to really clean off that makeup. You guys, this stuff really does clean off, I don't want to say all your makeup, but it does clean off like a really, really, really like 99.999% of your makeup, you'd be surprised how much this product can take off. I mean, it takes off a lot, you guys, and I'm not even kidding. So when I have like a full face of makeup and I use this Black Bean Cleansing Makeup Foam Cleanser, wash my face with it, it just takes off all your makeup. It's amazing. So it kind of saves you a step of having to remove your makeup first and then going in to wash your face with a face cleanser. It's just kind of like a 2-in-1 deal type of thing. One downside about this, you guys, and just to let you guys know, I have no idea if it'll be the same for you guys. It's just, you know, talking about it with my skin type. The one downside I found out was when I use it, yes, it takes off all my makeup, but after I'm done, you know, washing my face with it and, you know, my face is nice and clean, when I touch my skin, what's the word I'm looking for? It just feels like, it doesn't feel nice and smooth and slick and just kind of, you know, just like baby butt smooth. You know what I mean? It feels, yes, my face is clean, but it feels kind of like there's like friction in my face. Does that make sense? Just, it feels like it's just kind of like, you know, does that, I can't think of the word, right? But it just doesn't feel too nice. I mean, I deal with it and I'm okay with it. I mean, obviously I ended up using the whole thing, but it's just, it didn't really make my skin feel nice and, you know, it just kind of felt like, there's no words I can think of, alright, you guys? So, that's what it made it, that's what my, no, words. There's no words I can really think of, you guys. So, that's pretty much what my skin felt like. Okay, so, that is pretty much it for all my empties. I do have a lot more empties to talk about, so I might do another video, or maybe I'll take a break and, you know, drink a little bit of tea or coffee. I have no idea, but that is it for this video, you guys. By the way, I am doing a giveaway. If you want to see that giveaway video, the links to it will be down below. Go ahead and enter that giveaway. If you are curious what I'm giving away, watch the giveaway video. There will be rules that you have to follow, of course, and that is pretty much it. Subscribe, like this video, comment down below what you enjoyed about this video and what other videos you want me to do. Hit that notification bell and follow me on my social media, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, if you want to watch my cute little, wonderful, cute little dog. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Follow me at Quackamole. That's it. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye.
You know I be looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots thigh high. Bitches in the corner with wine, staring cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snide. Oh, we look so good. Yeah, with